we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Phase blackhead removal hack. First, apply a generous amount of Vaseline to your nose or designated area with blackheads and keep layering it on. Second, once the petroleum jelly is applied, cover it up and wrap in plastic wrap until it stays in place and is formed to your face. Third, go to sleep with the mask on. This blackhead removal hack is going viral, but it's not a good idea.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.